Hi everybody, welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Today, we'll talk about stunning wooden bathroom designs. Hopefully, the pictures presented will provide inspiration for all of you. Let's just get started. Wooden bathroom designs have been a popular choice for many homeowners over the years. It brings a natural warmth and elegance to any bathroom, creating a comfortable and inviting space. With a variety of wood textures, colors, and finishes to choose from, the possibilities are endless. In this video, we will show some stunning wooden bathroom designs that will inspire you to elevate your home decor. One of the most common ways to incorporate wood in your bathroom is through the use of wooden vanities. A wooden vanity adds a unique touch to your bathroom and can complement any interior style. You can choose from a variety of wood finishes, including natural wood, distressed wood, and even reclaimed wood. A wooden vanity can be paired with a stone or marble countertop to create a luxurious feel. To complete the look, add some modern light fixtures and elegant accessories. Another way to add wood to your bathroom is through wooden wall panels. Wooden wall panels provide a rustic and warm feel to your bathroom. They can be installed on an accent wall or around the entire bathroom to create a cozy and intimate space. You can also add wooden shelves to display your favorite decor items or to store your bathroom essentials. To balance out the wood, you can add some greenery or plants to create a fresh and natural ambiance. If you want to go all out with the wooden bathroom design, consider adding a wooden bathtub or a wooden shower. A wooden bathtub provides a unique and luxurious experience, adding a natural warmth and depth to your bathroom. A wooden shower, on the other hand, creates a natural and spa-like atmosphere, perfect for relaxation and rejuvenation. You can also add some stone tiles or pebbles to the floor to complete the natural look. For those who prefer a more minimalist style, a wooden accent wall can do wonders for your bathroom. A wooden accent wall adds texture and depth to your bathroom, creating a focal point that draws attention to your decor. You can choose from a variety of wood finishes, including dark and light woods, to match your interior style. A wooden accent wall can also be paired with some geometric tiles to create a modern and contemporary look. Wooden bathroom designs are a timeless and elegant choice for any homeowner. With a variety of wood textures, colors, and finishes to choose from, you can create a bathroom that is unique and personalized. Whether you opt for a wooden vanity, wooden wall panels, a wooden bathtub or shower, or a wooden accent wall, the possibilities are endless. With some creativity and imagination, you can create a stunning wooden bathroom design that will elevate your home decor and provide a relaxing and inviting space. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video helps you to make a stunning wooden bathroom designs. Thank you.